I deserve wealth simply because I exist. Receiving money is natural for me. I am worthy of a rich, ease-filled life. Wealth is my birthright. I am safe being wealthy. I am allowed to have more than enough. I am worthy of abundance in every form. I am deserving of a wealthy, peaceful, expansive life. I release all stories that say I am not enough. I am open to receiving more than I've ever allowed before. I am valuable, therefore my life expands. My desires matter, and I deserve to have them fulfilled. The wealthy version of me already exists, and I step into it now. Abundance responds to my inner worthiness. I align my subconscious with limitless prosperity. I embody the frequency of someone who always has more than enough. I imprint wealth into every cell of my being. When I feel worthy, money flows effortlessly. I am free from guilt around wanting more. Wealth does not take away from anyone. It expands what's possible. I release all inherited beliefs that said I must struggle. Money amplifies my goodness. It does not diminish it. I let go of fear, shame, and self-doubt. I rise into deservingness. It is safe for me to have a beautiful life. I allow wealth to flow to me in unexpected, generous ways. I'm a magnet for aligned opportunities. I welcome financial overflow with an open heart. I'm receptive to miracles, increases, upgrades, and abundance. Receiving is natural and effortless for me. I say yes to a life of prosperity. I'm worthy of comfort, beauty, and luxury. I naturally attract a soft, abundant lifestyle. I deserve to be supported by money, always. Wealth feels like home to me. I am becoming the version of myself who effortlessly lives my dream life. I deserve wealth. I deserve more. I deserve to be supported. deserve to receive. I deserve every upgrade coming to me now. I deserve abundance in all forms.